doTERRA's Oregano Essential Oil is the heavy hitter of essential oils needed in every single home. doTERRA's Oregano Essential Oil has powerful cleansing properties and supports the immune, the respiratory, and the digestive systems. Known as the oil of humility, oregano was revered by ancient Greeks for its taste and its countless health benefits. Distilled from fragrant leaves of the Mediterranean herb, oregano essential oil is a flavorful addition to cooking and can be used in place of herbs. You just want to start with a little bit in your cooking since this is such a powerful oil. Oregano offers powerful antioxidants, which comes from carvacrol and thymol, the primary chemical components. Carvacrol also supports the respiratory system. Oregano supports healthy digestion by promoting the secretion of digestive juices. Now, oregano is a hot oil and should be used diluted with a carrier oil when applied topically to the skin. My favorite way to use this oil is actually to use it in doTERRA's roller bottle that's already pre-diluted, so I can roll it right onto skin imperfections to help take those away. Now, if you want more uses on how I love to use this oil, make sure you watch my video on the top uses of doTERRA's Oregano Essential Oil.